Oh hi! Today we're going to do what's called a Crescent City. What he says about this is this cocktail, while not particularly good, is interesting in that it is a compromise between the aromatic type and the sour type. So, something to look forward to. So it's 1 part lime. A lot of times if it's just 1 part, you can just go ham. Just squeeze an entire lime in there. It's gonna be good. Trust me. Way better than like pre-squeezed lime juice. Squeeze them in there. Alright, we got 2 parts of the Italian vermouth, which is the sweet kind. So I'm gonna be using the small 2 parts. It's just gonna be 1 big shot. And then 4 parts gold rum. Bacardi is a good one for you. It's nice and cheap, but not too terrible. 4 parts will be 2 of these big boys. And then the unfortunate call of 1 to 2 dashes, so like 10 to 20 drops of Angostura bitters. If you've seen any of these videos before, you know that we're not a huge fan. Oh, bitters. The most apt name in the universe. We gotta throw some ice into this boy. Shake it until your hands are cold. It happens pretty quick. Pouring this in. It's another brown drink. Boy, can't imagine this is gonna be good. It's got, I mean, I like rum, alright. Rum and lime always goes well together. Hopefully the lime, like, makes it good. I don't know. Find out.
I can already smell it.
Are you ready? You can smell the bitters. Is that what you smell? It actually didn't smell that bad to me. You want to go first?
It is not that bad, actually.
Shocker!
I think the fresh lime juice actually tastes pretty good.
Telling you, man. Fresh lime.
Yeah.
Fresh lime makes a huge difference, by the way.
Yeah, it really does tamp away the horrible bitters taste.
This is a shocking drink. It's actually pretty good.
Yeah, I actually would drink something like that.
This is good. I don't know what to do.
Drink it.
I feel...
Drink.
That's what I'll do. I'll just finish this drink up. And thanks for watching, bro. Oh yeah, like and subscribe. All the things.